Hi everybody, Garrett Sussman of AIPRM, and I'm excited today to walk you through how retailers can use ChatGPT and AIPRM for marketing. First off, if you're a retailer, like you run a clothing boutique or a toy store or an electronics seller or a grocery store, maybe you're part of a small team. Maybe you're the only marketer in your business. Maybe you're the business owner doing it all yourself, or you're paying an expensive agency or consultant for stuff that you just don't have the budget for. Well, you've heard about ChatGPT. You want to figure out how to use it for your own business, but when you did show up, you got it set up, you see this free tool in front of you, and you're like, where do I start? What do I write in there? What do I do to get marketing? Right? Marketing. What? Okay, so AIPRM is actually a free Chrome extension that goes on top of ChatGPT that provides a massive prompt library with thousands of different pre-built prompts. So that's the instructions pre-written given to ChatGPT, which is this interactive robot chatbot that can put out all sorts of content and text that you can use for your business. Now, a couple of key considerations when it comes to using prompts for your small business, for your retail, brick and mortar, or even e-commerce site. First off, there's the one-off prompts, right? So for marketing, you could use it for target audience research or a marketing plan or working on your homepage on your website. You do it once and okay, you're good to go. You're not going to use that prompt every single day. On the other hand, you might have those prompts that you want to use on the daily. And so that might be for something like social media posts or email marketing. Or if you are a retailer and you have lots of products coming in, every time you have a new product, you want to put that on your website and you need a product description, right? Because the manufacturers, they provide some information, but it's not always the best marketing. Let's use ChatGPT. So we're going to go into this. What I usually do, if you are a brick and mortar, for instance, selling anything as a retailer, I will actually go and use and search, because you can search the entire library, for local marketing prompts. So I'll just type in here, let's just type in here local. And you start to see the different prompts that come up, right? Optimize your Google business profile, create a list of content ideas for a local business. Because remember, with marketing, you want to come up with content that people discover on Google, for instance. That's one channel to eventually come to your website, learn about you, solve their problem, and buy your stuff. So we're going to try out this generate a list of content ideas for a local business. I love this. Okay, so service type and service location. So we are a toy store in Northern Virginia. You see how it gave me the clue where it's asking for, what type of service and where are you located. Those are the variables, the personalization that you're providing for the prompt based on the little hint there that will give you that personalized result. So now if I just press enter, you can let ChatGPT do its thing, and all of a sudden we start to see all these really cool content ideas. So for my little toy store, maybe I want to create a guide, the ultimate guide to choosing safe toys for your children. That makes sense, right? As a parent and I'm buying a toy for my child, I want to make sure it's safe. I might look online for a guide and find that. Tutorials, DIY, transforming toy cars into wall art. Well, that's cool. That's just beyond a whole different target audience. Listicle, top 10 educational toys every preschooler should have. So these are really cool content ideas that I can use for my toy store. So all of a sudden, we can do this over and over and over again. What if I want to come up with audience research, right? I want to search for target audience. So I'll go back up to my search bar, and I want to find something about target audience. So best audience targeting campaign for ads. Okay. So what are we going to look for? So let's say in this case, it's a product name and a location. So we're selling a blue sweater in Minnesota. Okay, let's see what comes up for the targeting ideas for blue sweater in Minnesota. And all of a sudden, we have a really cool broken out target ad campaign based on products, and location. So target audience, 25 to 45, any gender, residents of Minnesota. So all of these targets are what we can build out, and it gives us the information on the ad format and the budget, which, for a small business is really good. Sometimes we don't know where to start with our ad budget, how frequently we need to do it, and there are all these different ideas. That's another really cool prompt. Okay, so let's go back and let's say we want to do something with social media. So let's we're going to type in social media here, and we want, let's see, all cool ideas. Look at all these different social media options. Okay, let's do boost your social media engagement, proven content ideas for social media. And let's say, specify the niche, target audience, and the platform. Okay, so in this case, let's say we are an electronics seller in, let's say, Detroit, just come up with random ones. And then for the platform, let's say Facebook. Okay, and let's see what it recommends. And look, we're actually getting posts to put on Facebook for our store. Exciting news, our exclusive summer sales here. Get ready to upgrade your electronics at unbeatable prices. Detroit Tech, summer sale, electronics, hashtags and emojis. I love it. Another one's an image. Share a visually appealing image of a popular smartphone with a caption, sleek design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features. This is great for a local store. It takes away a lot of, the thought process that you need when you're not a marketer. You can start getting this up there and generating new customers and new business. And it's so fun. Like, you go to the prompt library, and this is public prompts, right? You can do all sorts of things. Let's get rid of the search bar, and all of a sudden we can search by topics. We've got our marketing, we've got our productivity, we've got our copywriting across a whole bunch of different activities. Say, for instance, we want to do an entire human-written, 100% unique SEO optimized article, right? Okay, so now the keyword, let's say we are a plant nursery. We sell, plants, right? Okay, so let's do buy vegetable garden near me. Okay, and now we're going to get this whole outlined article about buying vegetables. That's really cool. Buy a vegetable garden near me, a green haven at your doorstep. The benefits of having a vegetable garden, finding the right location. All these tips are super helpful that I can now put on my website and start generating. So when people start to search for buying a vegetable garden near me, they're going to find this blog post and be like, oh, your nursery sells all that stuff. That's so cool. So no matter what type of retail store you operate, whether it's a local brick and mortar or if it's an e-commerce business and you operate purely online, using AIPRM and ChatGPT can help you generate so much marketing. So if you're a small team, if you're a one-person team, if you're a business owner, think about how much more productive you'll be and how much time and money you'll save by using something like this. Try it out for free. I think it's pretty cool, don't you? Okay, well, if you have any questions, definitely hit us up in the comments or visit us at AIPRM.com. You can download the Chrome installation for free. Also, we have a whole forum where you can visit and ask questions, and we're always happy to answer if you run into any issues or if you just want ideas for building your own prompts. If you do want to create your own prompts, we have tutorials on how to do that. Just check our website for those on how to create your own prompts to use over and over to get even more personalized. And then ultimately, you can build out those prompts, and if you do have a team, share them via team list. So many cool things you can do with AIPRM. We're so excited about it. Come join us. Check it out. I'm Garrett, signing off.